Hey, what's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And today we finally, and I say finally, are back on sneakers. Well, I wouldn't say really back on sneakers, but today I'm gonna bring you two pair of shoes that I've kind of been wanting to get. One just dropped, the other one dropped a while ago, but I was waiting. I was just waiting to see if the price was gonna, well, not if, but when the price was gonna actually drop on these sneakers so I could actually pick them up. Now that the price dropped, I copped. I know, sneakers are sitting. More importantly, or more poignantly, the Jordan 1s are just sitting. And yeah, this is what I was taking a look at the outlet the other day when I decided to just try my luck to see if in fact they had the Jordan 1 Mocha in the low variation. This is a clean sneaker. The shoe was fire. And I don't know what, okay, economics, saturation, and hype. That's what we got. But for what it's worth, man, this sneaker right here normally was what, $140? That was the retail price of this. I mean, I didn't get it at a crazy discount, but 110 bucks, I'll take it. And yeah, that's better than me hopping on release day and just saying, all right, the hell with it, and we're just gonna pay retail. Because we already know the trends, what's gonna happen these days, the market is coming down. But Jordan Brand plans to do, or Nike and Jordan Brand plan to, I guess, fix that by giving us less sneakers to drive the demand back up. It's a crazy concept, but it is what it is, man. So that was the only reason why I went to the outlet, just because I kind of knew that they were gonna be there, and it wasn't in abundance. They had them on the rack where, you know, they have onesie twosies and they're not normally on sale, but for whatever reason I had a coupon and had military discount, so we made it work. So I mean, but I'm pretty sure you can find these on GOAT, StockX below retail. So, but I really think that people are sleeping on this shoe. Jordan Low OG in the OG cut, man, that you can't beat that. But hey, your stubbornness or whatever is my game. I'll take it, because I was definitely wanting those. Because you got the Low Mochas, and for the fall time, if you just wanted a low sneaker to put on, and you got the Palominos that have been shelved all summer long because, you know, just not that kind of shoe to wear in the summertime. But now that it's fall, the temperature is dropping, albeit only a little bit here in Florida, it's time to whip them joints out. So perfect compliment for those sneakers. Now, for the second pair of shoes, it's another Jordan 1 Low. What do we have here? We have, yeah, man, we went ahead and got these joints just cause. Did I really need these? Not really. Did I really want them? Yes, because it's a Jordan 1 Low. And for whatever reason, they gave this Jordan 1 Low, or Howard University, an extra splash. They gave me this, yeah, this thing right here, man. Come on, camera, get your life. There we go. See that autofocus working? We got this joint right here, man. We got the baby swoosh. And the rest of this shoe, did I really need this though? Not really. They gave it a premium treatment though. We have the, well, I wouldn't say the sale midsole is, or the aged midsole is premium, because we got an aged midsole on these. And what else we got here? We got an aged midsole on these, the trophy room lows. So in my brain, I know I didn't need these. Not at all. I knew I didn't need these, but I had to have them just because it's a Jordan 1 Low, and it's the pretty decent quality on these shoes. And to say that all lows aren't created equal, we can definitely go with that thing by saying all lows are not created equal. You got the embossed Wings logo on this one. On this one, you have the gold Wings logo. It feels like metal, but I'm pretty sure it's not. And, well, I wouldn't say embossed. This one is more embossed on the Mochas, and this one is more of what you want to call stitched in. Now, there are a couple other pair of Jordan 1s, lows with this stitching on the back. I want to say it was the elephant print Low OGs that had the stitching on the back for the Wings logo, but that's neither here nor there. The hype behind this shoe, or the whatever you want to call it behind this shoe, was really the baby swoosh. Of course, it ties in with Howard University, albeit there is no Howard University Bison's logo, anything related to Howard University other than us calling it the Howard University Jordan 1 Low on this sneaker. I'm all for HBCUs, but yeah, I don't know. I think Jordan Brand may have missed the mark on these, but Howard already has a PE in the Jordan 1 Low, and it's all over red with some blue hits on it. But with the color blocking on this one, it's a little different. Am I in love with it? No. Do I like it? Yes. Am I going to keep them? Yes. For 2024, for the non-Travis Jordan 1 lows, the Pantheon for me goes to this joint right here, being number 1, the Mocha. Number 2, and this may be a little controversial, but number 2 for me would definitely be the Trophy Room Jordan 1 Low. Yeah, the ones that are attainable, right? Because we all know the other one with the white swoosh was not really attainable, even though I'm not friends and family, but whatever. And this one would probably be number 3. Yeah, I'm not really, no. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, man. I wasn't really in love with these. I got them just because I felt like I needed them in the collection. I will wear them because they're Jordan 1 lows and they're hella comfortable and they're easy to throw on with anything. But the laces that came with these, they're not even wax laces. They're like starched, or however you want to call it, whatever. It ain't it. Not for me. It's not it. So of course, in true sneakerhead fashion, you throw a different pair of laces in there. Now it comes with a navy blue set of laces, but yeah, I'm good on that. So that's about it, man. It's Jordan 1 lows. What can you say about them? Either you like them or you hate them. And for me, I actually love them. So whenever I can get them without paying retail, that's a great day. And if I do decide to get some that are retail, that's a great day too, because they're normally priced at $130, $140. You can't really beat that. With the price of sneakers these days and the way the economy is, it's a nice pickup, man. It's a very nice pickup. So it's a nice shoe. The Mochas are probably my number 1 Jordan 1 low non-Travis release for the year. So yeah, that's about all I got, man. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for your boy on the way out, man. If you appreciate the content, drop me a comment below on where do you think, how would you rank these 3 pairs of Jordan 1 lows in the OG cut variant? I got a feeling a lot of people just gonna go with the Trophy Rooms, but if you ain't got a pair of Trophy Rooms and you ain't really seen them, I mean, they dope as hell. They really are, but it's just something about that Mocha, man, that's just, is it for me. That's all I got for you, man. Peace.
So hit that subscribe button, join the fam. We unpacking heat, ain't no scam. Sneakers, electronics, toys in the mix.